What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to a brand new video. Man, it's been a minute since I posted on my channel. I've been around, I've been working on my TikTok. If you guys don't follow me on TikTok, follow me, your boy. We're about to hit 30,000 followers, which is crazy. Yeah, it kind of happened. I just blew up, and I've been working on TikToks. What else? Yeah, as you guys can see, I've been opening packs. I'm a Twitch affiliate, finally, on twitch.tv/JMexMartinez. If you guys want to go follow me on there. I've been playing video games, and I've been opening Pokemon packs as well. And we're here back with a brand new unboxing, brand new pickup. I already opened them because I couldn't wait. And what we have, something early. An early look at a brand new pickup, a brand new pair of shoes, and we're gonna take a look together. I already saw them, they're fire, and I'm just happy to have these. Luckily, I got these early, so we're gonna take a look and see what we have. So, started off, it comes in this black box. These are coming out the 24th, Christmas Eve, which is Wednesday or Thursday, I think. Something like that. But 24th of December, these are coming out. Boom. Yeah, they come in this black box. Just standard white tissue paper, nothing special. If you guys don't know what shoe is dropping on the 24th, that is, boom, the Kobe 6 Grinch. Dang, they look so bright on camera for some reason. In hand, they don't look that bright. But yeah, man, the Kobe 6 Grinch are coming out, or re-releasing. This is like a protro, whatever you guys want to call it. Yeah, we're finally getting these back, and I managed to grab one from Nike Sneakers app early. Yeah, man, I managed to grab them in my size. These are gonna be staying in the collection. This is like one of those pairs that is like a grail. I remember these coming out, and me personally, I like this shoe. It's nice and loud. I like loud shoes, and I just never got them. One, because it was hard to get, and two, I wasn't paying resale. Resale on the old version of these, they were going for like thousands. And Nike is finally re-releasing these bad boys, and they're releasing on Christmas Eve. The Kobe 6 Grinches. It fits. This is the Kobe 6 model. On the back you have like this plastic type feel on the heel area. You have the Kobe Bryant signature in the back. You have black Nike swoosh on both sides. My favorite thing about the Kobe 6s is it has these like snakeskin scales all over the shoe, from toe like all the way to the shoe. Even the Nike black swoosh, as you guys can see, has like it's like a snake scale, which is pretty dope. Your laces is this like bright lime greenish type laces. On the tongue you have the Kobe, the Mamba logo in red. Your midsole is obviously green as well. It gives it that Christmas Grinch vibes. The bottom of the shoe, it's kind of like this transparent green right here. Look at that traction. You have some black carbon fiber going on, and then down here you have green with the red Mamba Kobe logo. These do come with extra laces. Comes with extra red laces, which actually will look really dope if you put on the red laces. That's what I might do, just so it can give it that a little bit more pop. And then on the insoles, I don't know, because I never had the old pair of these, but on the insoles on these, the left shoe, it says I want a shoe that, and then on the right shoe, the insole says molds to my foot. So obviously put them together, they say I want a shoe that molds to my foot. I don't know if the older one had that. You know, I never had a pair, never seen a pair in hand. But yeah, that's what the insoles say. I don't know if you guys are not going to be able to see that. Oh, you kind of see it. It says I want a shoe that, and then it has like the Kobe's it has a K and B for Kobe Bryant right there. Boom. And then the other one says molds to my foot. I don't know if you guys can see that, but yeah, it says that in there. And then on this one you have number 24 right there. And yeah, man, that's pretty much it. You know, it's a Kobe Protro, the Grinch Kobe 6s, a very dope shoe, very fire shoe. I just hope everybody that wants a pair gets a pair. This is definitely going up there for my favorite sneaker releases of this year. And yeah, man, happy to have these. And let me know, are you guys going to be going for these? Like I said, these drop on the 24th of December, which comes out on a Thursday. So yeah, hope everybody that wants a pair gets a pair. But yeah, man, that's gonna be it. Little quick video, little quick review of the Kobe 6 Grinches. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you're new for more videos like this in the future. All my social media links will be down below if you guys want to go follow me. Twitch, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok. It's all gonna be down there. So if you guys want to go check it out, follow your boy. But yeah, that's gonna be it. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace.